Conceal. To hide something so others cannot see or know it. I tried to conceal the gift behind my back. Confiscate. To take something away, usually by someone in authority like parents, teachers, police, because you did something wrong or broke a rule. My father confiscated my cell phone in this morning. Dwell. To live somewhere, or sometimes to keep thinking about something for a long time. We dwell in this house. She does not dwell on the past. Haul. To pull, carry, drag, or transport something with effort. He is hauling her on a sled. Jeopardize. To put something or someone at risk or in danger. The boy jeopardized his life yesterday. Outlaw. To officially ban or prohibited something. The phone was outlawed in this office. Outlaw. A person who has broken the law and is hiding or running from the police. The famous outlaw was caught in 1975. Prolong. To make something last longer or extend the time of something. The game will be prolonged for 10 minutes. Ransom. Money or payment demanded or paid for the release of a person or property. The kidnapper called me and demanded a huge ransom. Rebuke. To scold someone or speak angrily to someone because they did something wrong. My boss rebuked me for my fault. Relegate. To move someone or something to a lower position, rank, or level, or give them less importance. I relegated to a lesser position in society. Sack. To fire or remove someone from their job. He was sacked from his job yesterday. Squander. To waste something, like time, money, or opportunities, in a careless way. She always squanders her husband money. Strew. To scatter things around over a surface in a messy or random way. She is strewing the books in the room.